Hello and welcome to Montgomery County Recreation. This video will walk you through how to schedule a swim reservation. The link to our reservation portal is available on our website at www.mocorec.com. Simply click on the Pools Open banner and then select the Swim Reservation option. Once here, select the facility where you would like to swim, and then select the type of activity you would like to participate in. On this screen, you'll simply indicate the number of individuals participating in the activity, and then select a date and time of your choice. Once you've done that, click Continue, and you'll be directed to the information page. Please enter your first and last name, your phone number, and your email address. Next, read through the terms and conditions and indicate that you have both read and agreed to them by selecting the check mark in this box and entering your initials here. Next, please read through the county resident requirement, which states that you understand that at this time, reservations and our pools are only open to Montgomery County residents only and to valid pool pass holders. If you qualify, select yes, and then click on Complete Appointment. And that's it. You've scheduled your swim reservation. This system will send a confirmation email to the email address that you provided. That email will also contain links to cancel and reschedule your appointment should you need to do so. As always, should you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer service team at 240-777-6840. You can also email us at rec.customerservice@montgomerycountymd.gov. That's rec.customerservice@montgomerycountymd.gov. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your time at the pool.